Hey guys, Trey here from AmericanMuscle.com, and today we're breaking down this BBK Catted X-pipe for the 2011 to 2014 Mustang V6s that have long tube headers. If you're looking to improve your exhaust flow and give your V6 a more aggressive tone, this is a great option to consider. The X-pipe is designed to bring significant performance and sound benefits to your Mustang V6. By replacing the factory mid-pipe with this high, you can expect better horsepower and torque thanks to improved exhaust scavenging and reduced back pressure. The high-flow catalytic converters are engineered for efficient airflow while maintaining emissions and compliance, which is ideal for street use. The X-pipe design is known for balancing the exhaust pulses between your engine's banks, which enhances efficiency and produces a sharper, raspier exhaust note that's more aggressive and very distinct from that stock sound. It also helps smooth out the engine performance, giving your V6 a sporty and more refined character. But I will note that you're going to need a O2 sensor wire harness extension, which is going to be sold separately. This X-pipe is constructed from stainless steel for superior strength and long-term corrosion resistance. The high-flow catalytic converters are crafted to endure high temperatures without compromising their performance or durability. The precision-engineered bends ensure a tight, leak-free fit and seamless integration to your exhaust system, reducing any installation headaches. Now, as far as pricing goes on this, it's going to come in right around that mid-$600 range, but the performance benefits and improved exhaust note make it a solid value for Mustang enthusiasts looking to balance power, sound, and emissions compliance. When it comes to the install, this is going to be middle of the road, and it scores a 2 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter. This is designed to be a straightforward bolt-on upgrade with no major modifications required, but you will want to set about 2 hours aside to complete the job. Alright, so that's going to wrap up my review of the BBK Catted X-pipe for the 2011 to 2014 Mustang V6 with long tube headers. And for all things Mustang, keep it right here at AmericanMuscle.com.